Good morning, everybody. Radithojit, Antara, Auditro. Why are you giving that? All this emoji. Good morning, Arpon. Stop your front camera. Good morning, everybody. Today, Riddhi, Omkita, everybody, good morning, beta. Shubho Vijaya, after Vijaya, I am just getting your class, and I think you are. Now you are again very happy to all see all your friends and class, everybody. Okay. Okay, I am fine, beta, and I think you are also fine. So please today open your English grammar book. Grammar. Page number 34. Have you completed? Or today I will do. Please write Ovirup, Reza, Snigdha. Ovirup, please write page number 34. I think last day it has not completed. Okay, I am fine, beta Reza. Ovirup, please write. Oshmi, please write. Arpon, always you should mute your microphone. Reza also. Page number 39. No. 34. Okay, headphone. Why you cannot listen? I am having microphone, beta. Yes, Arpon, I have muted. Arpon, Reza, please don't unmute your microphone. Okay. I have already muted somebody. Yes. Page number 34, have you completed? You have not in the class. I want to ask that. Okay, page number 34, I will do. Oshmi, please write. And one thing, I have given that one competition, you should register one thing. Okay, 34 I will do. One thing, please register. E-portal, please. E-portal, you can see. And Term 1 syllabus I am giving. I have already given whatever portion we have completed. But today's chapter and next chapter also will be there in your Term 1. Chapter number 13 and chapter number 14. Okay, chapter number 12 already today I will complete. Chapter number 13 and chapter number 14 from the grammar book, it will be also included. Okay. Chapter number 13 up to chapter number 14, it will be included in the it will be included in your Term 1 syllabus. And one thing, please, you can look at the e-portal. Please look at the e-portal. Okay. I don't, okay. Some problem will be there. It will be happen. Okay. Okay, beta. And one thing, please, chapter number 34, page number 34, we can do that. And please open your e-portal, okay? Page number 34. Today I will complete the chapter number 12 and after that I will continue chapter number 13. Okay, grammar book, beta, grammar book. Just I have written English grammar here. I have written the English grammar. Okay. Page number 34. Shara was dressing. Are you going out? Asked her mother. Her mother was asking. So, are you going out? Number 1, you. Number 2, I am going to Neha's house to play. So, Please do in the page number 34. Page number 34. I. Okay. I am going to Neha's house to play, said Shara. Come back in time. You have your homework to do. So, you, I, you. Number 2. Number 2. Kopil and Geeta were at the bus stop. They were waiting for the bus. They were waiting for the bus. It is again late, said Kopil. It is again late. It is again late. I want to go back home, said Geeta. I want to go back home. We should wait for 5 minutes more. We should. One thing I have already told, and ma'am also has told, that please look at the verb have plural form I and we after we are telling that have. And also am after I we are putting am, are, we, all these I have already given the verb form. Please look at this verb form. Number 3, where is Papa? Number 3, okay. Number 3, where is Papa? Papa means that masculine gender. He has gone to office. And where is Anshu? He has gone to office. Anshu means her sister. So, where is Anshu? She is in the kitchen. She is in the kitchen. She is in the kitchen. Nobody plays with me. Don't worry. I am with you. Mother is telling, I am. Always notice to the verb. After I only we can put am. We will play together. We will together means we. We will play together. I have a new game for you. It is called memory. It is called memory. You will like it. You will like it. Next, Amit is asking, can I play it with my friends? Can I play it with my friends? Yes, they will also like it. So, they will also like it. So, page number 34, I think you have already completed. I. Why 3 I, Reza? Only 1 I is there. He, she, I, we, it, you, I, they. Okay. Now, chapter number 13, we can start. Before we start, one thing we can tell you. Yes, Oshmi has written that they. Before chapter number 13, I am starting that, I can tell something you. Please remember, page number 35. Okay, if you want, you can write in your book or also copy. From where? I represent me. I, me. Instead of I, when we are telling that, see, she has given something to me. So, I for me. Us, we, us. You, you. You. Okay? Him, he, him. Then her, she, her. It, any non-living things. Orpon, pencil, with your pencil you can write your book by the side or just here, upper portion of these things. Please write all these things. I, me, we, us, you, he, him, she, her. Please write with your pencil. Everybody I am telling, because if you are writing, you can remember this. Okay. She, her. It, they, them. Okay. Orpon, please don't unmute that. Okay. Orpon and Snigdha is always unmuting. Okay. Ushmi Dev. Ushmi, please, you have written my U-Portal. What is the syllabus of term 1? I have just told that Ongshu is maid because she is cooking. Ongshu is maid or sister, I don't know, whatever, Pratyushna. Okay. And one thing, term 1 syllabus, again I am telling, chapter number 13 and up to 12 I have given. Chapter number 13 and 14 also will be included. Okay. So, I, me and Orpon is writing, and you are writing very fast, Orpon. Because class also you are writing very nicely. So, I, me, we, us, you, he, him, she, her, it, they, them. Okay. So, page number 35, we can do it. Page number 35, first one, tick one. Number 1, I am hungry. Please give me something to eat. Please give me. Me, we can tick it. Number 2, Papa has brought chocolates for us or me. Only one girl is there. So, for me. So, me, we can tick it. Number 3, who has given you these flowers? You. Who has given that? Riddhi. Okay. Who has given you these flowers? Tick it. Number 4, dog is barking at him. Dog is barking at him. Dog is barking at him. Number 5, Priya is sleeping. Don't disturb her. Number 6, this is my new bicycle. Do you like it? Number 7, these books are very interesting. Would you like to read them? Number 7, them. One thing, I am just telling to you, in this term 1, actually, last year also and after that also, you know that when you read in the class 1, you are having composition. But this time, that MCQ exam will be held. You know that multiple choice question means tick mark question will be held. Okay. So, I will write composition for you. You will practice in your home. Okay. But this chapter number, up to chapter number 14, it will be included from the grammar and funny bunny up to that from the marigold. But composition I will write for you. Please practice in your house, because it will not come, because it is the multiple choice questions exam. So, please practice. Okay. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow I will write for you. So, me, you, him, her, it. And number 7, them. Okay, Riddhi, very good. I cannot see now chat in the, okay, I will see, okay, you can also send my e-portal. Okay, I will check beta. So, page number 35, it is completed. Now, we can go to the page number 36. Where is Nihan? Nihan is not today joined. Indrakshi has joined. I am not getting that. Indrakshi? Where is Indrakshi? Dibbojyoti, Indrakshi. Let me see. Orpon, Ushmi, Riddhi, Indrakshi is there. Okay, good. Indrakshi is not absent, but Nihan is not there. And also, okay. need. I am just telling, yes, Indrakshi, I have seen that. Reza, no need to send. Only you can check it your homework if you want. You can also send your homework by taking the PDF. Okay, homework, classwork by PDF in e-portal. Actually, many students, they are also sending. I am checking also. Those who want to think that, if you want to check your homework by taking photo, you can send to my e-portal. Okay, beta? Those who are joining my class every day, they are joining. Okay. Okay, beta. So here, page number 36. You helped me a lot. Look at the picture of your book. You helped me a lot. Thank you so much. So thank you so much. Number 1. Thank you so much. His dog is wagging its tail. His dog likes you. His dog is wagging its tail. His dog likes you. Number 2. Number 3. I will return the books tomorrow. I am reading it now. I hope you do not need it immediately. Number 3. 2 fill in the blanks are there. 2 are it and it. Number 4. No, not books. Oh, I'll return. Oh, acha, sorry. I hope you do not need them. Because books are there, plural number. So, them. Number 4. Grandma is coughing. Give her some medicine or take her to a doctor. So, number 4, grandma. Give her or take her to the doctor. Yesterday was my birthday. My friends sent me greeting cards. Papa gave me a beautiful pen. Number 5, 2 are me. Number 6, your shoes are dirty. Why don't you polish them? You should always keep them in the rack. Shoes. So, them. Number 6, them are there. Them. Number 7, we want to buy a shirt. Please show. We want to buy a shirt. Please show. A shirt. Please show it. Or please show me some good white shirt. Don't show me any striped one. So, please show me and me. Okay, number 7, me and me. So, number 7, me and me. Okay. So, I think you have completed. If you are having any problem, please write to me. And then write that no problem, okay. অভিরূপ ব্যানার্জি, অঙ্কিতা নস্কর, অরিত্র ঘোষ, অর্পণ দাস, অশ্মি পাল, রিদি পাঁজা, ইন্দ্রাক্ষী সেন, প্রত্যুষ্ণা, দত্তা, রেজা খাতুন, ঋথজিৎ ঘোষ, সপ্তর্ষি মালিক, সপ্তর্ষি কুণ্ডু, ঋথজিৎ ঘোষ, সপ্তর্ষি মালিক, Shikundu, Sheikh Chand, Snigdha Ghosh. Okay, beta. Then bye. Thank you, beta. Have a nice day. Please read. Now